I work on cardiovascular mechanics, and especially I focus my work on aortic dissection. Aortic dissection is a life-threatening disease that occurs when a tear appears in the aorta, and this tear allows the blood to flow between the layers of the aortic wall. It's a life-threatening disease, and if you don't go to the hospital within 48 hours, the probability that you die is 90%, over 90%. We create a tear in an aorta, and after that we inflate the pressure in the sample in order to propagate this tear and to reproduce what's happening in the body when an aortic dissection occurs. Actually, the mechanisms underlying this disease are not really well understood, mainly due to the fact that aortic dissection is very, very difficult to observe because it's intramural and it's a very rapid process. So this experiment will help us to better understand this disease, how it forms, what are the factors leading to the propagation of the dissection, in order to help us to prevent and to help patients actually that are affected by this disease. Actually, it helped us very well because the aorta is extremely heterogeneous and it's composed of many microstructural components. And only here with the synchrotron, we are able to observe these microelements and the global structure of the aorta at the same time with such resolution in time and in space, actually. And it's the first time that this kind of experiment is done, and it's very, very exciting.